Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and remove the green screen here on Capcut. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now I have this simple stock footage right here, and for example, I want to go ahead and add this animated effect. So this animated effect has the green screen, and we are going to use this tool called the chroma key. So for example, we are going to use the subscribe effect right here. Now to go ahead and remove the green screen, you want to go ahead and click on your specific video. In our case, it's the subscribe.mp4 right here. And once inside, you will then be able to see the video. Proceed by heading onto the cutout section, and inside you want to go ahead and enable the chroma key. And we have our color picker right here. Just go ahead and click on the dropper button, go ahead and click on the color, and lastly, you have your strength. You want to go ahead and strengthen the chroma key right here, and then you will be able to see that the green color will disappear. There will be no green screen on the Capcut right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.